guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome. So this is gonna be part one of the adoption tutor. Just stop glitching for once. Mom, do you really have to put me up for adoption? Yes. Yes, oh, yes, honey, because we are low on money. I have to pay bills, I have to take care of you, I have to take care of me, I have to take care of the dog, I have to take care of the gas bill, I have to take care of the car, I have to take care of a lot of things. You have to take care of a lot of things when you're an adult. And I have to go to work, and my mom has cancer, so I can't do a lot of things. So yes, you will be living with her. Okay, I will make. Oh my god, more people. But that doesn't mean more money. Yes. Okay. Hi, come in. So the kids are upstairs. Okay. Ooh, ooh. Hurry up. Hurry! Up, up. That, 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 ba, ba, ba. Blah, blah. Sorry, I'm making more noises. If you don't hurry up. Dang. Healy, Healy, Healy. Ooh. Guys, just pretend she had a sister with her. Sis, I guess. So, sister, I guess. This is your room. Hi. 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 Do I have an iPad? Yeah. Let me show you. So this is your bed, and that's your iPad. We can introduce ourselves. So I'm Kayla. I'm Emma. I'm Ava. And we all have big sisters. Same. Well, yeah. Let me just get out of the couch for you. Here, because there's no normal space. Sorry. It's okay. Oh, hi. 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 The mean girls comes out of the locker room. I'll just put my stuff up here. I'm just tired. Sorry. Oh my god. Why are you in my bed? Ew. Why are you in my bed? Huh? I'm sorry. It's... Ugh. Stephanie, stop. She's new. She didn't know it was your bed. Right. How is she supposed to know? She's new. Who was talking to y'all? Right. Y'all don't talk to my bestie like that. Caleb, Caleb, I know you ain't talking. Who named their daughters a boy name? Yeah, so you should be the last one talking. Excuse me, y'all should be the ugly ones talking. No. Come on with better roses. Yeah. Well, you only have 3 strikes. and now you only have 2. If you keep going, you're gonna be dead. I'm sorry. Look, girl, stop. She didn't know it was your bed. You're whining over a bed that's not even yours. Yes, it is. If I sleep in it and I own it, then I own it. Girl, you know you do not own these. The people do. Why you talking? I'm telling the boss. Boss! Did you just barge into my room like you're the FBI? No. You in my room right now. What? Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Hey, Locks. What?
Because if your mama would have fixed this shit, you would have set your ass right there. Hey,
God. Anyways, the Maya's getting smart. Maya, yes. Why are you getting smart? I'm not. I was just telling her that the new girl. Oh, we got a new girl. The new girl didn't know that it was um Avery's bed. Then that's when she just gonna start being mean to her, and Mia Emily was telling her that it's okay. She didn't know it was your bed. And she just come in here, start being mean to us with Caleb. Caleb, you should be the last one talking. Who names their daughter Caleb? Hey, my mom didn't name me that. My dad did. You guys are mean. Too bad. What's her name again? Avery. Avery, get your butt out that locker room and come here. Yes. Yes. Nothing. Why did you be mean? Why is you already being mean to the new girl? What? I mean. Okay, look. Girls, get off the iPads. Sit. Move at my spot. It's my spot. Like, get out of my spot. Oh my God, Avery, I'm so tired of you complaining every single day about something. It's just a seat. Sit down somewhere. Fine, don't gotta scream. I'm not trying to scream. You're making me scream. Sit down. Caleb, get in here right now. Okay. You guys are being so mean to me. It's true. Wipe the tears. Dang. Now look. When a new girl come in here, be nice. Look, I'm tired of y'all saying people being mean to somebody. Avery, stop trying to be like a bossy girl. Stop trying to be somebody's mom. You're mad because your mom abandoned you. Stop. You should be the last one talking. I'm not even gonna say it because you know my reason. Now, anyone barge into my room again, we're gonna have a situation and it's not gonna be good. Y'all know. Guess I heard that clear. Heard that real clear. Didn't even hear a drop. Okay, look. Avery, no one's trying to hear your nonsense right now. Yeah, Avery. Shut up. Caleb. I'm gonna tell you one time. Shut up. Okay. You can't talk to my bestie like that. Just because you got a girl name, that doesn't mean you gonna have a boy name. Okay? Whatever, you already hear them. Kaylee. My name's Kaylee. Oh, well. You. Shut up. Okay, let's go to our big sissy's room. Are we even allowed to go in there? Yeah, she allowed us to see our siblings. She doesn't care. Oh, 'cause I'm not trying to, get, I don't know. It's okay. Hi, sissy. Hi, sissy. Hi, sissy. Hi, sissy. Oh, you have two sisters? Yeah. Well, guys, we love you guys. Ooh, we like your. Oh, guys, we like your products. Okay. Well, we're just gonna be playing patty cake. Okay. Let's go. They talk. Patty cake, bake your man. Fast as you can go where we can. Roll it up, all the way down. Sky, okay, I want to do it. Okay. Sky blue, everybody's out except for me. Okay, so I gotta go first. They do play rock, paper, scissors. Yeah. Like, I can't believe she actually did that. And I was so shocked. Yeah. She's like, oh, Gary, you. Oh, well, who are y'all talking about? Looks behind. Y'all see? Why are y'all looking behind y'all? She's in front of y'all. Y'all. Because we're trying to see who y'all talking to. Yeah, because y'all must be talking to the Holy Ghost. Us? Yeah, like who else? Casper the Goat. Whatever, you like Casper the Goat. So funny. Spell Casper the Goat. Capede. Casper the Goat. That's not even how you spell it. Oh, wait. Learn how to spell before you talk to me. Not funny. You always think everything is funny. Shut up! Dang, don't gotta scream. I'm just gonna get on my iPad. That's my iPad. I'm get on my iPad. And guys, that's it for today's video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you have a great morning, night, evening, or afternoon. And it will be a part 2. And hope you have a great day. Like and subscribe. Bye.